Good afternoon. This is Karen Sparta, Executive Vice President of Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and we just had a ribbon cutting. It was so exciting. So tell us a little bit about the practice here.
Well, I've been in Southport since 2010. Came here from California, and I started with just a small number of cases here in North Carolina in limited areas, but over time it's just grown and grown and grown, and come to see that Southport is very much underserved with especially civil litigation matters, and been happy over the years to be able to take more of that work so it doesn't go out of this area to Wilmington or other markets, because people like myself and now Julian can serve that population and that need. So we're here for those purposes, and Julian recently joined me from Alamance County, and he brings a wealth of experience in some areas that I don't have experience in myself. So estate planning and personal injury and some criminal defense at the trial level. And he also has substantial experience in general civil litigation. So we can join forces in that regard and provide better services to the community, and would like to be able to do that. So we're excited about the new joint enterprise here, and looking forward to the future and being able to meet more of the needs of this community.
Julian, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, so went to NC State for undergrad, Campbell Law School, and I graduated with Adrian Iapolucci here, and Calvin Chandler, the district court judge, went to school with them. And I've practiced for 26 years doing criminal defense, civil litigation, personal injury, wills and estates. Pretty much covered the entire gamut. I don't do any real estate closings or bankruptcy or workers' compensation cases, but I think I've covered almost every other area. And, you know, Ray's got an extensive amount of appellate and motions experience over his practice, and I think that combined with my litigation experience it meshes very well together in providing a full-scale boutique legal firm. And Ray told me over a year ago that was desperately needed in Brunswick County, and after being here for this period of time, I totally believe it. And just happy to be here, and happy to have the resources that Ray has and make the connections here, and hopefully serve the county for many years to come.
Thank you. And Ray, you've been around a long time, and we appreciate everything you've done in our community as well.
It's been good to be here, and I'm glad to be able to serve the community, and really happy that I've got someone along my side now, because the biggest hang up in terms of providing services has just been bandwidth, and there's just a great need here. This community should be able to be served by those who live within it and are members of it, and too much of the work has gone away from this community into other markets. And while we appreciate attorneys in other markets, I mean, this is a market where we should be able to serve it ourselves, and we are pretty much now a full-service law firm, with the exception just of a few small areas, but we can cover just about all the needs that local citizens here would have.
So how do people contact you?
Well, Julian has a pretty well-versed and developed Facebook page and a website as well. I've kept a low profile myself in terms of internet traffic over the years. Everything's been word of mouth for me, and it's just always stay that way. LinkedIn, I have a profile, an active profile on that, and I'm pretty easily discoverable online if you're looking for me in particular, but then for legal services also specifically, we have SEO connections.
Yeah, so Google business pages, websites, and you can always come down to Southport. We're right here above Ports of Call.
Right, down by the historic waterfront district. Great place to visit anyway.
The view from here is amazing.
Yeah,
it's beautiful.
Well, we appreciate both of you being in our community and serving it so well. And welcome, Julian. Great. It's always good to have you.
Glad to be here.
That's great.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much. Appreciate it.